Alright, so these are 6 exercises to help improve your balance. The first one we're going to do is stand with your feet together. For 30 seconds, we're going to rotate your head side to side, and then up and down. And if this is too easy, try it with your eyes closed. And if this is too hard, hold on to something like a chair. And then the second exercise is going to be the tandem stance, which we have one foot in front of the other, and we're going to move our head side to side, again like we did in the first exercise, and then we're going to rotate it up and down. And if this is too easy, try closing your eyes, and if it's too hard, find something stable that you can hold on to. The third exercise is going to be standing on one foot. So pick whatever foot you want to start out with, but you're going to end up doing it with both feet. And if it's hard, if your ankles are weak, this is a good thing to improve the strength of your ankles. So we're going to start with one foot. You're going to stand on one foot. And again, if it's too hard, just hold on to something. So we're just going to hold this position for like 30 seconds. Just rotate your head side to side, and then up and down. And if you want more of a challenge, try closing your eyes, but it's a little more difficult, so be careful. And then you're going to switch to the other foot and do the same thing. Rotate the head side to side, and then up and down, and then with your eyes closed, which I can't really do, but that's okay. The fourth exercise we're going to do is try standing on an unlevel surface. So I have a pillow, and we're just going to start out with standing with your feet together, and you're just going to rotate your head side to side like we did, and then up and down for like 30 seconds. I know I'm not going as long as I say, but and then again, if it's too easy, just have your eyes closed while doing it. And then next one we're going to do is again standing on one foot, and don't like hurt yourself. So the modification is again holding on to something, so don't get too crazy. And then you're just going to rotate your head side to side, and then up and down, and try doing this with 30 seconds on each foot. So we're going to switch it. We're just going to do the same thing. Rotate your head side to side, and up and down. And then if it's too easy, like not holding on to something, you can try closing your eyes, but that's kind of difficult, but you can do that. And then the fifth exercise we're going to do is you're going to have like one foot slightly in front, and you're going to have the other foot like in the air like this, and then you're going to have the opposite arm from what leg is in the air, and you're just going to like lean to the side and bring it back, and do that like 10 times. And if this is too easy, then try doing it with your eyes closed, but again, be careful. And if this is too hard, just have that stable object, but try not to rely on it so much, and just move your leg out. It's just there for like support if you need it, if you're about to tumble down. And then you're going to do it on the other side, so you're going to have the opposite hand and the opposite leg in the air, and you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to lean, leg. And do that for like 10 times. And again, if it's too hard, have that stability next to you, like the chair. Okay, so the last one is standing on one foot. So it doesn't matter which one you start out with, because you're going to switch the feet after you've done it. So you're going to stand on one foot, and you're going to rotate the opposite foot that's not on the ground in the air back and forth. So just like that. It's kind of like the last one we did, but you're just going to be leaning forward and backwards. If this is too easy, try reaching to the floor with one hand or both hands. And do that for about 10 times on each leg. Kind of works out your calves too. Then you're just going to switch the opposite leg after you did 10. And the same thing, opposite leg that's not on the floor is in the air. And you're going to have your arms. And you're just going to lean forward, swing up. Again, if this is too easy, you can try closing your eyes and then reaching to the floor. But you have to have like incredible balance. I don't know how you would be able to do that. But if it's too easy, try it. If it's too hard, just don't lean forward and touch the ground with your hands. And those are 6 different ways to improve your balance.